In today's video, I'll teach you how to change location in post on UpScrolled. First of all, launch open UpScrolled application. You can see over here UpScrolled application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the location in your post, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see all of your posts over here. Find the post in which you want to change the location. Once you do that, tap on the three dots that you can see right above that post. Now you can see two options over here, edit, delete. Tap on this option, edit, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to edit the post. At bottom, you'll be able to see the location that is selected right now. Simply tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to search for another location. Type in the location that you would like to change to. You'll be able to see the locations over here. Tap on the location that you would like to change to. Now you can see over here that particular location will be selected. Tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the changes will be saved and the post will be updated. Now you can see new location over here. So like this, you'll be able to change the location. So that is how you change location in post on UpScrolled. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.